How to use motion blur in Picsart. Want to add a sense of speed or dynamic movement? Here's how to use motion blur in Picsart. First, open your image and head to the Effects tab. Scroll down and select Motion Blur from the Blur category. Adjust the angle to control the direction of the blur and use the slider to increase or decrease intensity. You can also mask parts of the image to keep your subject sharp while blurring the background for a cool action effect. Once everything looks just right, hit apply and save your photo. Do you prefer subtle or dramatic motion blur? Let us know in the comments below. Motion blur is perfect for sports, car, and action shots to give your image more energy. And that's how you can use motion blur in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.